Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day, and today I am making another Ariana Grande hairstyle video. Okay, I need to breathe. So first, straighten out your hair. My hair is already straightened out. I don't know why am I straightening out again. Okay, I am a psycho person. Also, I added a lot of hair serum. I used the Leave-On one. Leave-On, how to pronounce it? Leave-On. This hairstyle is where Ariana Grande is working in a lab and making another version of herself. Anyways, now in this hairstyle, she has a lot of short curtain bangs, which I don't have, and I don't want to cut a lot of bangs right now because I did during quarantine and I'm trying to grow them out. You can see some of the small pieces. So yeah, that's the only problem. I have longer pieces of hair, but she has shorter. Once you have the shorter sections of hair, like at the front, then you have to take some of the hair, not all of the hair. It's like a half updo and a very low ponytail. And I don't know what am I doing, but I think I'm just trying to make it work. Then I'm taking a hair tie and making a low ponytail. Okay, this is a half updo, hair updo. I can't speak, what the hell. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Now I am just trying to put some volume at the top because it's Ariana Grande hairstyle and she is all about volume, which we don't have. Okay, she wears a lot of extensions. Okay, don't be sad, she wears a lot of extensions. I love her, but she wears a lot of extensions. It's okay, I understand your pain. Your natural hair is not supposed to look that much voluminous, so it's alright. And then I'm straightening out the front sections and also the ends of the hair just to give it like a neat and tidy and Ariana Grande look.
1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper.
I almost forgot that winter is here and the sun is setting faster than ever. So there was no sunlight and it was just 4:15. So I had to use the front camera because somehow the back camera was becoming really dark. So also the eye makeup is really bad, so stop judging me for that. Okay, so this hairstyle is very easy. Basically you take all the front sections and tie it like a ponytail at the top of your head. It's a half updo, and then you take a piece of hair from the ponytail and tie it around the band because it gives that extra volume. And also I am curling the ends of my hair just to make it look like Ariana Grande. And also she was wearing a wig or extension, so my hair is not that much voluminous, but this is how it turned out. So that was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video if you guys like the video, subscribe, and see you guys in my next video.